The thing that he brings is not just an extremely incisive intellect and a great vision for how do we serve our members and put them first and foremost, but a humility that then enables us to partner with our physicians and hospitals and pharmacists and the nurses of the communities in a way that's very different from the way that most of those professionals interact with a health insurance company.
Rocky Mountain Health Plans began when a consortium of interests in Mesa County felt it was time for a nonprofit alternative to the major health plans in the valley. John Hopkins, a pharmacist, came to work at RMHP to develop a managed care pharmacy program and rose to CEO with what Erkenbrack describes as vision, a passion of serving health consumers, and a style of giving others the credit. When he retired, they established the John Hopkins Award.
And the award goes to the employee who has been willing to change jobs totally in order to serve our patients better. Because that's what John did. He came here as a pharmacist to set up our pharmacy program. But after the United States started looking at healthcare reform in the 1990s, it became critical that we have someone who was very, very good in government relations.
Hopkins kept stepping up and eventually became CEO. In 2006, a Dartmouth Atlas study named RMHP consistently near the top for cost-effective Medicare delivery. Since then, attention from around the country has been drawn to an organization called The Shape of the Future in Healthcare. John Hopkins says the core value he developed with his staff is a patient-centered focus.
Healthcare really is about an interaction between a physician and a patient, okay? And I always believed that that was a relationship that a health plan didn't have a role in putting themselves in between. I also believe, and I think this has come to play a much stronger role as time's gone on, that we need to put more emphasis on preventative care, and we need to put more emphasis on wellness.
Under John Hopkins' leadership, Rocky Mountain Health Plans developed wide participation in a prenatal wellness program, expanded home health and hospice care in Grand Junction. Hopkins' own next chapter will be equally full of opportunities to lead and to learn and to take pride in this new award.
This is just an unbelievable honor. And the reason I say that is because within my own values, ethics is something that, I put at the top of the list. To have an award or recognition that places value on ethics is something that is just extremely meaningful.